Wednesday, November 22nd, 5:20 p.m. Mountain Time, 2017. Massive sinkholes, mysterious booms, and seismograph anomalies. First, the massive sinkhole. This was discovered in Brazil back on the 6th. It is a beast, measuring 98 feet wide, 65 feet deep. Opened up on a farm in Brazil, not far from the coastal water anomalies in South America, when we were discussing a potential South American role, when the water was disappearing from the coastlines multiple times near Brazil, and if I'm not mistaken, multiple times down here near Uruguay. This is where the sinkhole opened up. More than likely, there's a large network of caves underground or underground aquifers, and again, the water could have shifted, creating, a pressure change, and then the earth just gave way and went straight down. So these people are more than likely standing above a absolutely enormous underground cave network. So that's a lot of earth. That is an absolute bunch of soil that just disappeared. That could swallow a building right there. So huge sinkhole opens up in Brazil. Mysterious booms being heard around the world. This year has been kind of an exceptional year for these reports. 64 different locations of mysterious booms being heard. Here's a map of the locations. I don't know what to think of these. A lot of them they're saying could be airplanes creating sonic booms, controlled explosions, meteors. Sound amplified from aircraft, on and on and on. But for the most part, these are unknown. Some of them are even triggering seismographs. So it's kind of unusual for a boom to just occur and it triggers, or it's detected on a seismograph. Yes, it could be planes from time to time. Could it be a falling meteor? Of course. But that's quite a sizable number. So we're monitoring that. If you guys do hear loud booms, send me a note at reports@mrmbb333.com. I'm very interested in that, and I'm trying to locate the source. I want to share with you something that these seismograms also pick up. They do pick up sonic or booms sometimes. Whether they're sonic or not, I don't know, but they do pick up booms, and I'm going to show you an example of one here in just a minute. This is the current situation with the seismograms around the world. This is the most recent updated version of what you're about to see. You can see a small earthquake here detected down around New Zealand. There are some anomalies starting to occur again in Tiksi, Russia. This is just inside the Arctic Circle. So when this starts showing activity, we pay very close attention to Tiksi because it showed us something very unique earlier in the year, something that we had never seen before. And we found out it was not a mechanical glitch. So when we start to see activity here at Tiksi, we pay very close attention. For some reason, the seismograph in New York has been black for multiple days now in a row. Don't know what's going on, cannot explain it. Same thing in Washington, although it's not quite as dramatic as New York. However, it was. But you can see some movement in here in the center. This was midday. Don't know what that is. It's not an earthquake. But this seismograph is showing some sort of strange, very strange energy, just like it is in Tennessee. Been doing that for multiple days now. It kind of reminds me of a different version of Tiksi. Tiksi was almost like a sacred geometry type of weave. Very, very interesting. This here is more random. This is in Tazewell, Tennessee. Been doing it for days. But I want to show you something that you don't see on here very often. See that right there? That is a man-made explosion. That is in Kabul, Afghanistan. When you see just one sharp line like that, and that's very strong, that's probably, I'm not even going to speculate. All I'm going to say is that is very strong. That is an above-ground ordnance. And that's what you're looking at right there. Just one strong spike. That's man-made. That was in Kabul, Afghanistan, which is, it's a war zone. So you're definitely going to see these on here from time to time. You just don't normally see them quite this dramatic. But that is a man-made ordnance right there that was detonated near Kabul, Afghanistan within the last 24 hours. And I specifically saved this page. I haven't refreshed it because if you look at it on this page, it's almost cycled off. It's right here. That's the same one. You can see how far it dipped down. And these other ones, I think, are small earthquakes that's been detected from Greece and in Turkey. That right there is an explosion above ground. So when you see those like that, that's what that is. Don't see them very often. I'm surprised we don't see them more in this area, but that one was very profound. Mysterious booms, massive sinkholes, Tixi, and the seismographs are starting to act up again. We're going to keep an eye on them, and I'll keep you updated as time moves forward. Thanks for watching, guys, and be safe out there.